Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
आम्ही सगळे शक्तीशी जाण श्रीफळ धरून आम्ही प्रतिज्ञा करता काँग्रेसीन जे आमकां तिकीट दिल्ली आसा त्या हातून आम्ही निवडून येवन आम्ही तेवटेन वतना पक्षा बरोबर एकनिष्ठ रावन पक्षाचे उदरगत जाता अशें काम करतले आम्ही पक्षा बरोबर एकनिष्ठ रावतले.
You had a double engine government, but here in this double engine government in Goa and Delhi, you could not deliver. The peak on corruption, on COVID was so high, even the governor had to admit that there is a big corruption in the state. I appeal to all my Goan friends and voters, please, with a folded hand, please give us a chance. We will give a stable government. We will give a government with a national image. We did not encourage even a single defectors. Among the 17, nearly 10 members wanted to rejoin us, come back to us. They came, some of them even met me at Bangalore. We did not agree. Even they met me personally. A few of them met me at Delhi also. We did not agree. Now we have selected youngsters, new faces. All of them have pledged that we will not shift our loyalty. We will stay with the flag which the country has given them freedom.